How the heck do you craft with that? Part 5. Is your crafting workspace a sticky mess? I've got you. One of the best tools every paper crafter will want to have in their arsenal is the silicone craft sheet by Stampin' Up. This 6x6 non-stick, heat-resistant silicone mat is the perfect surface to work with all your favorite adhesives. Place the silicone craft sheet down on your work surface and then grab the element that you want to add adhesive to. Apply your adhesive and you're going to see that the mat resists the adhesive as you roll over the surface, making it easy for you to apply adhesive all the way to the edges. When you have multiple elements you want to adhere together, the silicone craft sheet makes this super easy. Simply apply the adhesive to the surface of the mat. Here I'm using some liquid glue. And then place your elements right on top. You'll need to let the adhesive fully dry, and then once it's dry, you'll be able to simply lift the elements right off the silicone craft sheet. Now you can just peel it right off, and your elements are ready to adhere.